Happy Monday, Pleasant Grove High School. Guess what this Friday is? Pleasant Grove High School's annual Multicultural Assembly. And I know that you guys are super excited about it because we get to see a whole bunch of clubs perform, show off their best moves, and highlight their cultural heritage. So I just wanted to give you a glimpse of what you can expect for the assembly on Friday. Clubs that are going to participate include the AAPI Club, MSA Club, PG Breakers, CASA, BSU, the Ukulele Club, the Hmong Club, FIA, SEASA Club, LRG, Poly, Haka, the K-Pop Dance Club, Lion Dance Club, GSA, VSA, Punjabi Club, and Soul Purpose. So in order to prepare for the assembly, there are a few important things that you should know. Number one, please stay seated during all performances. We don't want people to get up and move around in the bleachers. It's a safety hazard. Backpacks should be left in your classroom and not brought to the big gym. Make sure that when you enter the gym with your class, you are entering quickly and safely. Make sure to travel to the multipurpose room and sit with your class. Save all cheering for after the performances. And Pleasant Grove, I know you're amazing at this, but let's all keep it positive. Let's cheer on our amazing Pleasant Grove High School students as they highlight their cultural heritage. I look forward to seeing you there. Remember, be responsible, be safe, be respectful, and be your best.
I'm from LRG and I'm really excited to see the poly dance.
We're from LRG and make sure you check us out at the assembly.
Hi, we're from VSA and we're really excited to see KPDC.
We're from VSA Club and we're looking forward to seeing FIA perform at Multi.
Personally, I want to shout out Kate because she's one of my friends. She's the president.
Yeah, Kate.
Hi, we're VSA and we hope you cheer us on the assembly on Friday. Okay, Hmong dance. Yeah. Southeast Asian.
Yeah, Southeast
Asian. And the Indian dance. Yeah.
Hi, we're Lion Dance and we're looking forward to you guys supporting us on Friday. I'm a shout out. There's a shout out to Carson Moore of the Hmong Club. I hope to see you there.